Hey guys, welcome back. Are you wanting to start an import-export business, maybe import from China, maybe start an Amazon business, and you're sort of worried about dealing with people on Alibaba, or you're worried about being scammed by a Chinese factory? Well, you're not alone, all right? When I first got started about 10 years ago, I was in a very similar position. I was worried about being scammed as well. So this stuff, it does happen. Doesn't happen as often as it used to, but it still does happen, right? So you got to make sure that you are dealing with a reputable factory when you are importing from China. Okay, so the ways to do that is obviously give the factory a call, talk to them, ask for the address, go on Google their address, make sure they're not in a office or a CBD district. If they are in a CBD district, there's a good chance that they are a trading company or in fact a scammer. All right, so ask them outright, are you a trading company? All right, don't ask them outright, are you a scammer? I don't think they'll be truthful in that. I think they would be as truthful as buying sushi from a 7-Eleven on a hot summer's day in the afternoon, right? So they're not going to really own up to it if you ask them that. But ask them if they're a trading company, because usually most of the time they'll tell you. And there's nothing bad about dealing with a trading company, by the way. They do make your life a lot easier sometimes. But be warned, like there are people out there who, some suppliers out there specifically, who will take your money and deliver you nothing, or deliver you inferior or defected products. So make sure that you are dealing with someone who's reputable. So what I normally do, if it's a big purchase, if it's more than say 15 grand, I would jump on a cheap flight and I would fly over to China. I would jump on, usually actually China Southern Airlines do a good business class, but jump on an aeroplane, head over there and meet the factory. If it's a big purchase, you want to meet the factory. You want to make sure that they are in fact existent, okay? They do actually, exist. There was a story actually, it happened about 3 months ago. One of my clients was dealing with this particular supplier, and the supplier said, he asked him, are you a trading company? He said, no, Mr. blah, 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 we're not a trading company. And I said, all right, well, ask for his address, gave me the address, looked it up, and it's in a CBD. And I said, hey, are you sure you're not a trading company? He said, yeah, we're not a trading company. Well, okay. What's this? What's your company called? Oh, well, we run different names. We go by different names. So I said, okay. They seem slimier than an eel in olive oil, and I wouldn't deal with them. And in fact, it turned out they were scammers. So that's why you need advice. If I wasn't around, my client would have paid them a considerable amount of money. So get good advice, guys. Whoever, it doesn't have to be me, but talk to someone who's actually imported before, that's doing this on a continuous basis, who knows what they're talking about. All right, so hope you enjoyed today's video, guys. Have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you real soon. And don't forget, visit my website. If you're looking for ideas on what to import, maybe products to import, then check out my website. The website link's below. Also, do comment, do share this. Perhaps you know somebody who wants to start an importing business or start an Amazon business, selling stuff on Amazon FBA. Please keep me in mind. All right, hopefully I'll talk to you real soon. Have an awesome day. See you later.